Above Interstate 90 near Keechilas Lake, one of Washington's most unusual bridges, carries no cars at all. It was built for the animals of the Cascades. Here, the highway cuts through a major wildlife corridor near Snoqualmie Pass, where elk, deer, coyotes, cougars, and smaller animals have traveled for generations. The Keechilas Lake Wildlife Overcrossing gives them a safer path above the traffic, reconnecting forest to forest across 6 lanes of highway. From the road, it may look like a landscaped bridge, but from above, its purpose becomes clear. This is not just construction, it is a quiet correction, a way of admitting that progress should leave room for the lives already moving through the mountains. I'm Air Scholar. Like and subscribe for more history from above.